Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to rotate or auto-rotate the screen on HP ENVY X360. I'm gonna unplug the charger, and as you can see, as I move my screen over, it rotates automatically. So I can also do like that, and it'll rotate, but I can also put it into tent mode, and it'll rotate like that. So I'm gonna put it back into this standard mode. Then I'm gonna show you how to rotate or auto-rotate it. So in order to do it, go to the settings, then go to system, display. Now you can rotate it manually. In display orientation, go to landscape, portrait, landscape flipped. You need to click on keep changes within the first 15 seconds after that's changed, otherwise it will return to the previous settings. So this is how you change the rotation. And for some reason I have the rotation lock grayed out, so I'm gonna click here. I still can't change it, so if you can't as well, then I'm gonna go to the search bar and search for Windows Mobility Center. And yeah, I don't have the option to disable it, so maybe you just don't have the option to disable auto rotation as well. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.